Hey guys. Water face again. Changed my mask. Got kinda old. God damn it. Corey, god damn it, I told you to fix my fucking hair! Fuck you! Bitch. Look at her, come here, Maureen. Turn ass over here. This is Maureen. Look at this bitch. She's a dyke. Anyways, listen guys. I want to tell you guys about a saw in my room. Yeah, I love my chainsaw. I was, feeling kind of in the gay mood when I wrote this, Gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? I love the chainsaw, man, But, yeah, Nooka. But, yeah, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. God damn it. Come here, bitch. Fix my hair. Come here. Goddamn hair. Fix my gosh, you fix my fucking hair. Oh, yeah. Yeah, alright, bitch. That's enough. Hit the fuck down. Shut it up.